Hi, my name is Rohan Chopra. I'm here to explain how the EduMont classes work. Our classes are live cast online where we teach using a whiteboard. So imagine you are sitting in a classroom where a teacher is teaching in front of you. Our technology allows us to simulate the same experience where you could raise your hand or directly ask questions or make any request as you ordinarily would in a classroom. Except you will be able to do all of this from your home using your laptop. Our classes happen around the week. We start on the weekends where we conduct 4-hour sessions each on Saturday and Sunday to discuss the concepts. Later during the week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we solve actual questions from the online test bank. We look at the various techniques to derive the correct answer. This also helps you stay focused on your goal to clear the CPA exams in your first attempt. All sessions are recorded and available on the same day as recording in your LMS. This is for those people who wish to have their own study plan or wish to study at their own convenience, or for people who are simply looking to revise a concept. Let's talk about how do we actually teach you here at EduMont. We use realistic examples and business applications for each concept. We use interactive discussions to enhance your in-class participation. We even use polls to gather your opinion or answers. Our compendium of CPA notes have nifty mnemonics and memory tricks to help you remember important concepts. We also provide access to digital revision flashcards for improved memory retention. To know more about CPA and EduMont, please visit our website www.edumontclasses.com. Thank you for watching.